Let's see children now question number 3 of exercise 11.3. It is given if the circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meter, find its radius and also find the area of the sheet. So first of all we are given circumference equal to 154 meter. We will write its formula 2 multiply pi into r equal to 154. Put the value of pi, it is 22/7. Now to find out r, we will transpose these both terms into the right hand side. So it will be 154 into 7/2 multiply 22. And it is equal to 49/2 meter. Now to find area, we will use the formula pi r square. Pi 22/7 multiply r square, that is 49/2 into 49/2. And after simplification it is equal to 1886.5 meter square. This is the area of the sheet. Let's come to now question number 4. A gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meter. Find the length of the rope he needs to purchase if he makes 2 rounds of the fence. Also find the cost of the rope if it costs rupees 4 per meter. So here we are given diameter of that circular garden, it is 21 meter. So first we will find out its radius, it is diameter is half, so 21/2 meter. Now for fencing we need to find out circumference of that garden. So let's find out circumference of garden. So for that we will use the formula 2 pi r. So it is 2 into 22/7, r is 21/2, which is equal to 66 meter. Now because gardener wants to make 2 rounds of the fence. So here required length of the rope will be 2 multiply circumference, that is 2 into 66 meter, which is equal to 132 meter. Then further we will find cost. So cost is given per meter rupees 4, and to find out cost of 132 meter rope we will multiply 132 by 4, it is equal to rupees 528. Let's see question number 5. From a circular sheet of radius 4 cm, a circle of radius 3 cm is removed. So from this circular sheet of radius 4 cm, a small circle of radius 3 cm is removed. Find the area of the remaining sheet. So we have to find out area of this remaining sheet. So first radius of circular sheet is given 4 cm. We will find area of this sheet by formula pi r square. So it will be equal to 3.14. Here it is given that use the value of pi 3.14. So we will use here 3.14 multiply 4 into 4, that is 16, equal to 50.24 centimeter square. Now radius of the circle to be removed, it is 3 centimeter. Which circle is removed? So area of that sheet removed, that circle removed. Again we will use the same formula, but now we will take radius 3 centimeter. Okay, so it will be equal to 28.26 centimeter square. Now to find out area of the remaining sheet, we will subtract both areas. So we will subtract the area of the circle removed from the area of circular sheet. So it is 50.24 centimeter square minus 28.26 centimeter square, which is equal to 21.98 centimeter square. Let's come to now question number 6. Saima put a lace on edge of a circular table cover of diameter 1.5 centimeter. Sorry, it is meter. Find the length of the lace required and also find its cost if 1 meter of the lace cost rupees 15. So here we are given diameter of the table cover, that is 1.5 meter. So first we will find radius, that is 1.5/2 meter. Okay. Now because she wants to put the lace on the edge of the top, that means here we need the length of the table cover. So that we can find out by finding circumference. So here circumference of the table cover, it is equal to 2 pi r. 2 multiply 3.14 into 1.5/2. Solve it, we will find it out. It is 4.71 meter. So this is the circumference. This is the total length of that table cover. Total length of that boundary of the table cover. So, and it is actually the length of the required lace, okay, that she wants to put. So it is a length of the lace, that is 4.71 meter. Now cost of 1 meter lace, it is given rupees 15. So cost of 4.71 meter lace will be, we will multiply here rupees 15 by 4.71, it will be rupees 70.65 paise.